are times may problema ka kung ang homework left undone. Pray ka lang, wag tawagin ka upang di pagtawanan. High school love, my one high school love, not infatuation or crush. Tunay to, siya ang buhay ko, di niya alam ako'y nagbablush. High school life, oh my high school life, every memory kay ganda. High school days, oh my high school days are exciting kay saya. Bakit nga ba ang first love ko ay di serious, so it seems? Kung alam lang ng first love ko, he is always in my dreams. High school life, batang high school life ay walang kasing saya. Bakit kung graduation ay luluha kang talaga?